Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search for Gmail app and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search for the application of Gmail and you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.